Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Today we will discuss about embryology, the study of how human body develop from fertilizations to birth. And this topic is very important for understanding normal fetal development and gestational abnormalities. So the introductions of the embryology. The embryology is the study of the origin and development of an organism if fertilized into a fetus before birth. And this develop is being from the when female egg and the male sperm units are together. And this process is called fertilization, right? And its study known as embryology. So, so next one is definition of embryology. A study of the development of an individual before birth is called embryology. This is according to this Dasta. And next one is embryology is the study of the formation and development of an embryo from the moment of its conception up to the time it is born as an infant. Next, gestational period. So total gestational period is 38 to 40 weeks, and this is divided into three parts. First one is pre-embryonic period, and second one is embryonic period, and last one is fetal period. Embryonic period, it is a pre-embryonic period, it is a 1 to 3 weeks, and embryonic period, it is a 4 to 8 weeks, and fetal period, it is a 9 week to birth. Then next one is menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle, it is a part of the embryology. First, we will be see the menstrual cycle phase, maturations and proliferative phase, and ovulation phase and secretory phase. So maturation phase, it is a 1 to 7 days periods. It is a menstrual period, and it is also known as a bleeding period. And next, after menstruation period, we can see the proliferative phase. Proliferative phase, it is a follicle growing phase, and this time follicles are growing. And then after, we can see the 15 to 13 days of the period, it is a ovulation phase. Ovulation, it is an important cycle of this all menstrual cycle, because the female egg oocytes are released from the ovary, and it is enter into the fallopian tube, and fallopian tube, the specific parts of the ampullary part. This ovulation period, in this ovulation period, if the if the egg is fertilized through the sperm, male sperm, then it can cause the conception of the mother. And if egg is not fertilized, so then it will be lead to other phase. It is a secretory phase. The secretory phase, it is started into the 16 to 28 days phase, and this phase is corpus luteum phase. And if not fertilized egg, it is enter into the not fertilized egg enter into the uterine cavity, and sometime it is released. Then after it is released into the menstruation cycle, because it is not fertilized. We will see the fertilizations. What do you mean about fertilization? So fertilization is the process of fusions of the spermatozoon with the mature ovum. Okay? Means it is a fertilized egg. Due to the fertilization process, first we can see the sperm makes contact with egg. It is a sperm, this is a acrosome, and this is a all sperm. It is try to contact with egg. Sperm makes contact with egg. The second one is acrosome react with zona pellucida. This is a layer of the zona pellucida. It is a outer layer of the egg. Okay, so acrosome, sperm like a head of the present acrosome, and hydrolytic enzymes, it will be there. The hydrolytic enzymes are react of the zona pellucida, then it will break of the zona pellucida layer, then it will enter into the internal side of the egg. Then third one is acrosome react with pervitoline space. The pervitoline space, it is a second layer of the second layer of the egg, and it will enter into the second layer. Then next, we can see the pervitoline space, and this is a dotted point. This dotted point is protein receptors. Okay, next we can see the 4 points. 4 point is the plasma membrane of sperm and egg fuse into the Wittline membrane, and Wittline space enter into the Wittline space. Then next we can see the sperm nucleus enters in the eggs. We can see the sperm nucleus enter into the egg. The egg contain is egg plasma membranes, egg cytoplasma, and sperm nucleus. And 6 point is cortical granules fuse with egg plasma membrane, which renders the Wittline layers impenetrable to sperm. Next, we can see the ovulation and fertilization process. This is a uterus, and other implantation we can see in this picture. And first we can see this is a ovary. ओवरी एंड वी कैन सी द प्रोसेस ऑफ द ओवुलेशन पीरियड में जो मेच्योर एग है फैलोपियन ट्यूब में सर्कुलेट होने के बाद जो एम्पुलरी स्पेस है वहाँ पे ये प्रेजेंट होगा। फिर फर्टिलाइजेशन तब होगी जब स्पर्म गैमेट जो मेल गैमेट स्पर्म जो है यहाँ पे आएंगे। अब ये फर्टिलाइज्ड जो एग होगा ये जाइगोट फ्यूज़ होगा एग एंड स्पर्म प्रोन्यूक्लिया, ये फ्यूज़ होकर के ये जाइगोट फॉर्म में फॉर्मेट करेगा, जाइगोट फॉर्मेशन। देन ये डिवाइडेड होगा 2 सेल में, देन 4 सेल में, आफ्टर 10 सेल में ये होगा क्लीवेज। देन आफ्टर वी कैन सी द मोरुलाइज स्टेज, देन ब्लास्टोसिस्ट एंड इम्प्लांटेड ब्लास्टोसिस्ट आर प्रेजेंट इनटू द यूट्राइन कैविटी। ये पूरा जो ऑल प्रोसेस है 6 to 7 डेज में इम्प्लांटेशन कंप्लीट होगा प्रॉपर। देन जो फर्टिलाइजेशन एग फर्टिलाइजेशन होकर फ्यूज टुगेदर होगा और ये जो पीरियड होगा टोटल 24 आवर्स का होगा। फिर आफ्टर हम 1 डेज में जाइगोट देखेंगे, फिर 2 डेज 3 डेज 4 डेज ये क्लीवेज का प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होगा। 5 to 6 डेज में ब्लास्टोसिस कंप्लीट होगा। देन इम्प्लांटेशन 7 to 11 डेज तक हम देख सकते हैं।